You want to make YouTube videos without having to show your face? Well, in today's video, I will share with you guys 7 ways to make YouTube videos without showing your face. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nwosuellah. I post new videos every Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, sharing vlogs and all things YouTube related. So if you're interested in this, make sure to subscribe down below and we could get started. Okay, so the first video type I'm going to tell you is how-to videos. This type of videos that you make to teach people how to do a certain thing. I mean, I feel like a lot of us know how-to videos. If you go on YouTube, the only thing you search out is how-to videos, and most of these videos you get to see creators, they don't show their face, they just show their hands, maybe either cooking or sewing or anything. They just show you their hands while they are doing that particular thing that you're doing. You don't get to see their face, so you don't even know who is behind the camera. You just see the screen and you see the hands, and then you get what you came there to get. You get to learn what you wanted to learn. And the next video type is slideshows. With slideshows, you can step by step explain something without having to show your face. Just get to show different screens and explain what is on the screen, or explain whatever you want to explain while they watch the screen. So slideshow is another way that you get to create a video and be a YouTuber without actually having to show your face. Okay, so the third one is review/product unboxing. With this, you get to review a product and probably unbox a product you got. You don't have to show your face. You actually do not need to show your face, just the product and your hands while you're unboxing it. This is actually a very good way to shoot a video without having to show your face, because a lot of people like unboxing videos and they won't really mind that your face is not showing, or they don't get to see whoever is behind the hands, because they actually just came there to see the product and not your face. So yeah, this is actually a good way and a good video type without showing your face. Okay, so the next one is tutorials with screen recording. Yes, I'm sure a lot of you have seen videos like this, because these are the ones that are like really everywhere. You get to see people screen recording their phone and then showing you what's on their screen while they're telling you about it. I do this a lot in like most of my videos about how to upload a YouTube banner, how to make a YouTube banner. I just do it a lot, how to make your thumbnail. I get to screen record my phone and then just give you guys to see, and I talk to you guys about what I'm doing. So this is actually a very good way to make videos without having to show your face, because with this kind of videos you don't really have to show your face, just the screen, and teach people what they came there to learn, and then you're done and everybody wins. You win, they win, and we're all happy. Okay, so the next video type is static image. With this, you just get to place like a plain image on your screen and then just talk about anything you want to talk about whatever your topic is that you want to talk about. People usually don't like this type of videos because they find it boring. Nobody just wants to sit there and just watch a plain screen. Nothing fun is happening, or nothing is actually just moving in the screen. People find it boring and people do not like it. But this type of video is really good for people that just like to listen to music or listen to the radios and still do other things, because they just get to play your video, listen to what you're saying, and still have the time to maybe do some other thing while they are listening to your voice in the video. So this is actually a really good idea. Okay, so the sixth one is doodle videos, and it is one I see a lot, where you use like a whiteboard or a book to write or draw what you're saying and thereby explain what you're drawing or you're writing for people to understand. It is one I really see a lot, and they use it for a lot of videos, maybe kids videos, and also they use it for song lyrics video, where you just like watch or read out the songs lyrics from a plain board. Yeah, this one I really see a whole lot of time. The next one is to make use of pictures and videos. This one is used to walk people through a process of maybe storytelling, or just like getting them to see a point of view that you're trying to get them to see. I've done this type of videos a lot, where I talk about maybe celebrities, like when I talked about Nicki Minaj or when I talked about Hush Puppy. I did a video like this before. I did not show my face, just a voiceover, and then I put out pictures of who I'm talking about. Maybe I was talking about Hush Puppy, and then I put out pictures and videos of Hush Puppy, just to get people to see the point, get people to understand what I'm saying better without actually having to show my face. When I was also talking about Nicki Minaj, I just put out pictures of Nicki Minaj, I put out tweets of her, and that was all I actually did, and the video actually made a lot of sense. If you want to see an example of this, maybe you should check out my video on Hush Puppy and Nicki Minaj. I'm going to leave it down in the description. Okay, so that's it, you guys, for this YouTube video. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. If you did, then give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, comment down what video you want to see next. I love you all. Bye.